The second part of problem set, well, 02, real-time class application 02, question 1, question 2, 1b, I don't know. Anyway, recall that CAPM and its assumptions all hold. A portfolio manager decides to buy stock A and short sell stock B on the basis of a news article that suggests that stock B is in financial distress. Will this help the portfolio manager beat the market and why? Well, let's just think about this. Let's think about all the assumptions in CAPM. One of the assumptions is that everybody has the same information set. So that portfolio manager that sees that there is a news article about stock B is seeing the same exact thing that everybody else who is a portfolio manager is also seeing. And so if CAPM holds, then they are all going to act on that information immediately. Now, that should tell you right now that you can't beat the market, because if everybody sees the same information, the only way that you're going to beat the market is to somehow trade better on it, which again is an assumption of the CAPM that everybody has the same skill set. And so there's no way to beat the market. So that leaves us in a CAPM world, you can't beat the market. That leaves us with these two. And it says financial distress does not occur in a perfect capital market. That's clearly wrong. You can still have shocks and bad news in a capital market or a perfect capital market. It just means that it's immediately priced into the share of the stock. So the only possible answer is going to be E. All investors have the same information. Somebody asked me what it means to short sell a stock. Short selling a stock is you actually are betting that the stock will go down. And the way that it happens in the real world is that you borrow stocks from a broker, you sell those stocks at a certain price, and then later you have to buy them back, hopefully at a lower price, if not at a higher price, and you make money on the difference. So for instance, if I thought that Tesla was going to go down, Tesla is a very common short. There's tons of people that short Tesla. If I thought Tesla was going to go down, I would sell them short. Let's say they're trading at $300 now. I forget, they're probably trading at close to that. If they're trading at $300 now, I borrow the money from my broker. I usually do it with what's called a margin, which just means I have to put a certain amount of money down in order to borrow them. And then let's say Tesla goes to $200. I buy it back at $200. I give it back to my broker, and I get the difference. So if I sold it for $300 and I buy it back at $200, I get to keep the $100. So anyway, that's not in this question, but I just wanted you to know what short selling was.